In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give access to your OneDrive files to another user. Whether you need to collaborate with a colleague or share documents with a friend, this process is quick and straightforward. By the end, you'll be able to share your files seamlessly and securely. To get started, you'll first need to log in to your Microsoft account. This is your gateway to accessing OneDrive and allows you to manage all your online files. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Microsoft account sign-in page. Enter your credentials to sign in. Once you're in, locate the Apps Launcher icon, usually found in the top left corner of your dashboard. This icon resembles a grid of small squares. Click it to see all the available Microsoft applications. Next, select OneDrive from the list of apps. Upon clicking OneDrive, you'll be directed to your cloud storage where all your files are conveniently stored. Look for the My Files tab, typically found in the sidebar or in the main menu. Clicking on it will display all the files and folders you've saved in your OneDrive. Now it's time to select the files or folders you wish to share. You can do this by clicking the checkbox next to each file or folder you intend to share, making sure they are highlighted. Once selected, you'll find the Share button, which is often at the top of the page or appears when you hover over the file. Click this button to proceed to the sharing options. A new sharing window will pop up. Here, you should enter the email address of the person you want to share the files with. Make sure the email address is correct, otherwise the recipient won't receive the access. After entering the email address, you'll notice a pen icon next to it. Click on this icon to adjust the permission settings. By default, it may be set to Can View, but if you want the recipient to edit the document, select Can Edit. You can also set a more specific option by clicking Anyone with the link can edit, which offers flexibility if the recipient forwards the link. It's crucial to toggle the option that says anyone to make sure that anyone with the link, regardless of who receives it, can access the files. Once these settings are adjusted to your satisfaction, click Apply to confirm them. Finally, it's time to share your files. You have two options here. You can either click Send to email the link directly to the recipient, or if you prefer to share the link yourself, you can click Copy Link. This allows you to paste the link into a message or any other communication platform of your choice, and that's it. You've successfully shared your OneDrive files with another user, allowing for seamless collaboration or sharing. Thank you for watching and happy sharing.